Hello there, in this tutorial video I am going to show you how you can complete the oral citations activity for your public speaking course. So, the first thing you want to do is head to aloni.edu. This is the Aloni College homepage. Now you want to click on the magnifying glass and type in communication in the search bar. So you're going to hit search. And then you'll see communication. And then you want to click on Communication Studies Overview. And then on the left-hand side navigation, you're going to click on Communication Studies Labs right here. And then you're going to click on Student Lab Resources. So once you click here, you'll see the Communication Lab website specifically for students. And then you're going to see right here it says Lab Book Activities. So to complete the lesson, you're going to want to click this link right here titled Student Activity for Oral Citation Lesson. Once you click on it, it'll then open up a Word document as shown here. And then it says, the first thing it says to do is watch Brenda Onholt's tutorial on oral citations. So as you can see, you're going to go back to the Aloni College website, which is here, and then you'll click on this link right here. It's the third one, Oral Citations Activity Video. Once you click on it, it'll take you to a studio video that Professor Onholtz created on how to create oral citations. And then it is 6 minutes and 15 seconds long, so you want to make sure to watch the entire 6 minutes. Once you have finished watching, you're going to go back to the document right here, and then you're going to just jot down some simple notes that you learned after having watched her video. Then, after having watched her video, the next thing is it says, find 2 journal articles from the Mass Media Communication Complete database. So in order to do this, you're going to go back to the Aloni College website here, and click on the home page. And then under Online Services, you're going to click on Library. And then once you're on the library website, you're going to click on the second tab, which is Articles and Databases. Now, once you get here, you're going to want to select by subject. So you're going to scroll down, look for Communication and Speech. And it's going to automatically take you to the library guides. And then the one that you want is the very first one under Best Bets right here. So you're going to click on it, Communication and Mass Media Complete. And then it's going to ask you to sign in if you're not on the Aloni campus. You're going to sign in with your aloni.edu credentials. And then, so you're going to go back to the assignment again and ask you to find 2 journal articles. So using that database that I just showed you how to find, you're going to find 2 journal articles of your choosing. And then in each article, you want to find a fact, a claim, or a finding. Now using the information that you just found, you want to write an oral citation. So you're going to write one oral citation on the first journal you found, and then a second oral citation on the second journal article you found. So that concludes how to complete this activity and how to find the necessary information for you to complete it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you!